Zechariah 10, verse 1. Ask ye of the Lord rain in the time of the latter rain. So the Lord shall make bright clouds, and give them showers of rain to every one grass in the field. And that's a message of the Lord for you today, that God will give you rain in these last days, and that kind of rain is so much blessings, and it is bursting for more into blessings, and God will bless you as always, and will keep you as always, and guard you as always. Thanks for watching my video. God bless you all.